Welcome to my channel, Treasure Dream Soaps. I am Julie. Thanks for tuning in. So today we'll be making Ignite. Ignite, I use the fragrance Cherry Almond from Crafter's Choice. Got an 8-ounce bottle. And the mica I will be using is Queen of Hearts by Nurture Soap. And Crafter's Choice Chocolate Brown Mica. So this soap is pretty simple. I've made this soap before, but I haven't recorded it, so today I will. I already have a little bit of olive oil in both of my containers. I'm just going to mix a little bit of mica. I'm just going to use a little plastic butter knife. Whoops. Let's see. I'm just going to put maybe about that. Well, I do want it to be a little bit darker, and this fragrance will darken the colors. It'll discolor a little bit. I'm actually in love with this pink. This is one of the colors that goes with the trio to make the perfect red, but I haven't made the perfect red, which means I didn't use all three of them together yet. In here. So I got that. I'll set that aside. I'm just going to mix this in. You can see it's like it's a pretty dark pink. I have that. I'm just set that right there for a second. Now mix the brown. And I do this so that when I add the soap, it'll mix in better. So sometimes when you do mica, you have to stick blend it, and you'll see like little chunks of colors if it's not fully blended. So this is why I mix it with a little bit of olive oil or whatever oil you choose to mix it with. All right, so look at that. See, it's a pretty brown now, but you'll see when I put it in the soap. Okay, so I'll set that aside. This says up to 7%, and I'm not going to use that much. I'm just going to use the 5% usage rate. So that'll be 2.50 ounces. All right, so I have a little scale. I actually have a couple scales. I use the little ones because I tend to think that the little ones give you the more accurate weight. The bigger scale I have, sometimes it'll go like down 5 and then up 5.5, and I need accuracy when it comes to weighing out my lye and fragrance. So I use the little scale for little things. And this I got at you can get at like your local gas station. I paid 15 bucks, which I probably could have got somewhere for cheaper, but I didn't want to wait on it to come in the mail. So I'm just gonna measure out 250. $2.53, but that's okay. It smells so good, y'all. All right, I'm gonna set this aside and this since I'm done. Here's my oil. Like I said before, I've actually already prepared 3 batches of oils because I'm going to make 3 soaps today, but I'm not going to record every one of them because I've already recorded them before, except for Dragon Day. I didn't record that one. Let's check our temps. 79. Screw this. Woo. Shaky, shaky. There we go. And let's check our lye. 77. It's room temp, so those are fine. So I don't need that right now. Definitely don't need these two. Let's clear the space because I'm working on my small counter today. Where's the blend? All right. So I'm just going to pour my solution down the side slowly. Now this is not a 50-50 solution. This is 40% solution. I actually used this solution strength last time I did the wholesale order. So, and it was easy to work with. So I am going to blend this. I'm going to blend this, and then I will pour in my colors. Cherry almond smells like cherry Coca-Cola. So I'm gonna just stir this in. Last time I used the cherry almond, I got that one from Rustic Essentials. So guess we'll see what it does. Right now I'm just stirring it in, and I will stick blend again before I actually pour it in the mold. So I have that in. I'm going to hand mix this part in. You want to see the color it turns? That's because of the fragrance. So, like I said, it will discolor. Last time it looked a little ashy. The soap looked very ashy. So I'm just, there's no thickening or anything. So that's pretty darn good, I'd say. That is all done. Did I get all the soap? Ooh, see, look at me making messes. Already got my mold, my little old mold you can see from making soap. But at least the liners are very nice and clean. All right. So I think I'll start. Let me just take that part out. All right, so try to get as close as possible for you, and I will just be doing any kind of pouring. I like the swirls I tried last time on the smudge. So let's see if we can get that again. You're just a little messy one, ain't you? I can't wait to see how this turns out. And it's still fluid. So I would say cherry almond from Crafter's Choice is a go-go. Now for the top, I want to do maybe just like see, now the brown actually looks like a gray. I would say don't work too slow. It is starting to get a little thick if you're doing swirls. See, it's starting to get thick, but that's okay. I don't want it to be runny. So I'm gonna bang this a little bit. And I do that so that there's no air bubbles. Show you an up close. This is Ignite, and I will be back tomorrow for the cut, guys. Have a good night. Okay, so here is Ignite. So as I said, I did switch up the colors. I didn't add, I had like a copper color mixed in with these two last time I made it, and I decided not to add it just because it will darken. I do see little spots. I don't know what that's about, but it looks like it's darkening already. So let's just get to cutting. See what she looks like inside. I don't know why I always say she. Right. Woo. I don't know how many times I say this stuff really smells like cherry Coke or cherry Pepsi, and I don't drink neither, but it smells so good. Oh, y'all, look. This is that part. Look at the bag. Look at all the details, y'all. I love this soap. I love it. I might be getting better at those little drop swirls. Here's another one. Oh, look at that side. Y'all, these are dope. I'm really liking these ones. Look at that. Let's compare these two. See how different they look? So each bar will be different. And that's always exciting. This one. Okay, so if you enjoyed watching this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And if you would like to leave a comment, please do so down below. And I will speed up the rest of this video, and thank you for watching.